Look! We're in a beautiful sunny meadow, full of bright flowers and fluffy clouds. Can you hear a little buzz? What animal do you think is making that gentle sound as it flies by? Look closely at the details, think. It's a busy bee. Bzzz. Bees help flowers grow big and strong by visiting them. Let's wave hello to our little buzzing friend as it zooms away happily. Look closely at the details, think about what they teach us, and now, let's tiptoe over to a cool, shimmering pond. Listen very carefully, what's that happy sound? Ribbit, ribbit. It sounds like someone is singing a little song near the water. Look closely at the details, think about what they teach. Hooray! It's a cheerful green frog. Ribbit, ribbit. Frogs love to splash and jump in the water, looking for yummy snacks. Can you hop like a frog with me? Look closely at the details, think about what they teach us. Our next stop is a cozy farmyard. Oink, oink. What a funny noise. It sounds like someone is having a big muddy bath. I wonder which happy farm animal makes that sound. Look closely at the details, think about what. It's a happy pig. Oink, oink. Pigs love to roll in the mud to stay cool and clean their skin. Let's give a little oink and say hello. Look closely at the details, think about what they teach us, and now, let's explore a quiet, leafy forest. Shoo! Listen closely. What's that gentle hooting sound coming from high up in the trees? It sounds a little bit mysterious and sleepy. Look closely at the details, think about what they teach. Hoo! It's a wise old owl resting on a branch. Owls are very smart and see very well in the dark. They hoot to talk to each other at night. Look closely at the details, think about what they. Wow, look at this big, open field. Can you hear that beautiful, long sound? Neigh. It sounds strong and friendly. It makes you want to give it a gentle pat. Look closely at the details, think about what they teach. It's a beautiful horse. Neigh. Horses are very strong and can run very fast. They love to eat sweet grass and have their manes brushed by kind friends. Look closely at the details, think about what they teach us, and let's peek into a cozy little nest high in a tree. Cheep, cheep. Who could be making those tiny, sweet sounds? They sound so hungry and eager for a visit. Look closely at the details, think about what they teach. Ah, it's a family of little baby birds. Cheep, cheep. They are waiting for their mommy or daddy to bring them yummy worms. Let's watch them quietly. Look closely at the details, think about what they teach us, and notice. Down on the ground, look at this busy ant hill. Do you hear that tiny rustling sound? It's the sound of lots of tiny feet working together. What amazing teamwork. Look closely at the details, think about what they teach. It's the busy ants marching in a line. They work together to carry food back to their home. They don't make a loud noise, but they are very, very busy creatures. Look closely at the details, think about what they. Let's gently dig in the soft soil. Squish. What's that soft, quiet sound? It's a wiggly worm making its way through the earth. They help keep the soil healthy and happy. Look closely at the details, think about what they. Hello, little worm. You are a super important garden helper, eating old leaves and making new soil. Thank you for all your hard work keeping our plants growing strong. Look closely at the details, think about what they teach us. Now, let's go to the beach. Whoosh. Can you hear that big whooshing sound? It's the ocean waves rolling onto the soft sand. Let's listen to the ocean's song. Look closely at the details, think about what they teach us. Sometimes, we can hear playful clicks and whistles from the ocean. Eek. Eek. Those sounds might belong to a happy dolphin jumping and playing in the sparkly blue water. Look closely at the details, think about what they teach us. Let's pretend we are on a safari adventure. Roar. That is a very loud and powerful sound. It comes from a big, brave king of the jungle. Can you guess who it is? Look closely at the details, think about. It's the mighty lion. Roar. Lions are very strong and brave. They live in big family groups called prides and love to nap in the warm sun after a big meal. Look closely at the details, think about what they